All right, thank you very much, Tammy. And Chris, the markets have been a little shaky, but you've got something that hasn't been.
Yes, my mom and my stepfather have been married 30 years today.
Congratulations to them.
Yes. Here they are volunteering at an event in Prince Edward County where they live, and it's weird. 30 years they're celebrating. I'm only 25. I don't know how that works.
There's a whole lot to unpack with that statement right there, by the way, Chris. But
we can talk about it later. Yeah.
What are they doing for their anniversary?
I'm sending them out for lunch, actually. That's going to be the extent of it. But
very nice.
Yes.
And then a little afternoon nap, right?
Probably.
I love naps.
Yeah.
All right. Beautiful. Well, congratulations to both of them. What do you have for the markets?
Okay, so a losing start to the day, very likely on Wall Street, Roger, as you mentioned, a little shaky this week. Markets in the U.S. are looking at a losing week, and today a new salvo in the U.S.-China trade concerns with talk or a report that the U.S. is looking at holding off on issuing licenses to allow American companies to restart business with Huawei. So that's got investors in a bit of a selling mood. The TSX will be trying for a third straight winning day. It might eke out a gain this week. We are going to get new jobs data in about an hour from now. We also got earnings in from Uber. It wasn't good. In just 3 months, the company lost $5.24 billion. That is the largest quarterly loss for the company ever, much of it being attributed to the stock-based compensation connected to the IPO back in May. But at the same time, sales growth for the second quarter was also disappointing. Now, Uber says looking ahead, increased spending and expansion costs will likely mean the company posts a full-year loss of between $3 and $3.2 billion. The CEO, though, stressing they are very, very early in this incredible journey. The stock is down in pre-market trade. And then two apps owned by Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, are looking at rebranding, now being called WhatsApp from Facebook and Instagram from Facebook. The talk, I guess, is that eventually these three social media platforms, let's say, will be melded into one. They weren't really born in Facebook. They were bought by Facebook, so some questioning, they've sort of developed their own corporate identity. Is this a good idea? I guess time will tell. Roger.
And the kids will still call it Instagram and WhatsApp.
They're not going to call it Instagram from Facebook?
No.
You don't think?
It's now being told they don't even call it Instagram. Derek just said it's called Insta.
Yes, you're right.
And I actually do write Insta, but no, they're not going to change that. All right, Chris. Did you ever have anything when you were a kid and your parents threw it out that you collected and you loved?
I don't think so.
I probably shouldn't be bringing this up on the anniversary of your mom and stepdad, but coming up after the break, we're going to be chatting a little bit about things that you collected, you loved. Have a great weekend too, Chris, by the way.
You too.
Things you collected, you loved. Your parents tossed them out. Let us know at BT Toronto what that thing was.